Bucks Finance Management Honest Review Watch before using. Most people don't realize how much money disappears quietly through daily spending. And that's why Buxer exists. Buxer is a personal finance management platform that helps users track expenses, budgets, and net worth across multiple accounts. Here's what most people get wrong. They think one bank account is enough to manage finances, but Buxer brings everything together in one dashboard. You can link bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments to see your full financial picture. Buxer automatically categorizes transactions and generates spending reports. One of Buxer's strengths is net worth tracking. It shows your assets, debts, and overall financial progress over time. However, the surprising truth is that full automation requires you to connect your accounts, which some users may feel cautious about. Buxer is best for people who want a clear view of their total finances, not just daily expenses. The surprising truth is that clarity leads to better decisions. Buxer helps you see your money in one place. If you want to understand your finances at a deeper level, Buxer is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more honest finance tools and budgeting tips.